Welcome. It's a new day. We're in the shop and we have some blue collar stuff to do. So in the last video you guys saw us clean up this axle and get it ready for the truss. As you guys can see, the truss has arrived. We went with the Barnes 4-wheel drive truss for the Sterling 10 1/4, 10 1/2. And we already got something to complain about. As you guys can see, there's a hole right there in our axle tube. And the truss goes literally like right over it. Now, that hole is for the vent tube, and it also mounts our brake lines where our brake line tee. It tees off right there, and then that also works as the vent tube. So we got to figure that out. Not exactly sure how, because this mounts like literally like right over it. But I'm gonna go on Barnes' website and see if there's like any sort of directions or whatever. But I have a feeling we're either going to be, you know, drilling a hole or making some sort of, I don't know, something. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. Also, in today's video, I got wheels and tires. 2 wheels, 2 tires, just for the front. I really want to see this thing on its wheels and tires in the front. Not sure if we're going to be putting them on today or not. But I'm excited to see the wheels and tires mounted up. We went with Maxxis razors, 40 by 13 1/2 by 17, 417. And then we went with Sidetracked Offroad Aluminum Beadlocks for 8x170, 17 inch, and then they are 9 inch wide, and then it's got a offset of -20. So allegedly they're gonna clear our steering, hopefully. Not exactly sure, but we're gonna find out. I'm pretty sure they're gonna clear.
They're gonna clear.
They're gonna clear. So we're gonna get at it, and you guys are gonna follow along, unless you leave the video and hate us. Right, Cole?
Some days I hate us.
I got that on camera. So we're gonna get at it. Well, that wasn't too bad. Cole got it. Now time to lay the beadlock on there. That's what she'll look like. That's sick. I like it.
It's alright.
It's alright.
It'd be better if this was like... Now that would be sick. That aluminum on that black wheel. Oh!
I don't know. I'm going for the sleek look.
Go for style points.
All right, got one done. That sucked. For me.
Yeah.
So what I did was I did the star pattern, got them all pretty tight, and then I set the torque wrench to 10 pounds and I just went around and around and around. And then I set the torque wrench to 18 pounds and I did like until they got tight, and then finally one time it clicked, and then I went all the way around until it kept moving, and then it finally stopped turning and then torquing in, if you know what I'm saying. But I'm stoked. They look absolutely sick, and I can't wait to put them on. So we got one more to do, and it's gonna suck. But I'm gonna do the same routine, and yeah. Cole, any words?
Shout out to Skittles, you make some good stuff.
Shout out to Skittles.
So as you can see here, we're gonna do a little comparison. The coupe way and the Cole way. We're gonna see which way is better. Obviously it's gonna be the Cole way. Probably, but I don't know. I've just always seen the videos of people putting the tire on the rim, not the rim onto the tire. You just huck it in there with some force. And sides down.
We'll have to do a time comparison.
I did mine without any help. It's not my fault you weighed $1.20.
That is also true. Valid point. I prefer Cole's way. I prefer watching Cole do it and not having to participate.
That one got me. Wasn't expecting that.
All right. Wheels and tires are mounted on the Jeep, and let me tell you, it looks sick. Now, granted, it's still on 35s in the back, but I'm just so ecstatic. Like, this is awesome. We do have some trimming to do in the front now, believe it or not. But I'm super happy. Super happy with the wheel and tire setup. I like it. So, tomorrow, we're gonna continue on with this video and starting on that thing. Not Cole. Not me. Starting on the axle. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, welcome. It's a new day. It's Saturday. No, it's Friday. It's Friday. Thank God. So, in the last clip you guys saw, we're doing wheels and tires. And now, I also said that we'd be welding on this truss, which is what we're up to tonight. So, we got the axle off of the axle dollies, and we got them on the axle jacks. We got our Barnes four-wheel drive truss.
Yay, Barnes!
Yay, Barnes. We did some little mock-up. Everything looks absolutely great so far. It's gonna be super easy to mount our upper links to the axle. Just because everything is like, we have a perfect center figured out already, which is very helpful. We don't have to pull numbers off of like weird stuff. Cole says, at least. He might be lying. But yeah. Cole already got the axle all cleaned up. So we're gonna get to welding this right now. Well, we got it on. Not really any math needed for this one. This one was just a set down and burn on, right, Cole?
Yeah, thank you, Barnes.
Thanks, Barnes. Truss is on. Really, all we did was just, warm up the cast. We didn't really, put crazy heat to it, but it turned out sick. I'm happy with it. Cole's happy with it. In the next video, we're probably gonna be doing some body work on blue collar.
Yeah, we're gonna be cutting out the rear floor and the back hatch, cutting and extending wheel wells, getting rid of the fuel door. A lot of body work.
A lot of body work. It might even be a two-piece series on that. It might be split into two videos. We'll see how it goes. There's a lot into it. But, as you guys saw, if you've ever seen on Kane, it turns out really nice. So, the time is worth it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Always love reading your guys' comments. Cole, any last words?
Yeah, actually.
Oh.
If you guys are looking for some wheeling content to get your itch off, I know that we haven't had a lot of wheeling content, but you should really check out our friends over at Gage Boys Garage on YouTube. We'll link it in the comments or throw a link up in the video or something. But if you go back through some of their videos, they've got Windrock videos on there. They've got Drummond Island videos. If you go back far enough, you're going to see us in a couple of videos before we even started our YouTube channel. So check them out. Again, that's Gage Boys Garage on YouTube.
That is facts. Thanks for reminding me. yeah, it sounds like we're gonna be wheeling with them at Windrock when we go, so that'll be real neat. I'm excited for that. Zeph and the whole gang, they're a great group of people, but we went wheeling with them on Drummond, and they also have content of that, and we don't, right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so if you guys want to see us pre-YouTube, go on Gage Boys Garage, and you'll see us on Drummond. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys.